Today we're looking at the Entopest Indian meal moth kit. This trap is specifically designed for the control of Indian meal moth, but may also be effective against the meal moth or any of the other Ephestia species. This is what you get in the pack. You get your traps, your pads, and the holder here, which is going to house the pads here. They come in this outer packaging here, which gives you some information. So the first thing we need to do is to make up the holder here. We do this by raising the bottom section, clipping the 3 lugs into the base of the holder. They should clip in nice and secure. And then what we're going to do is open up the trap, remove the adhesive covering that's on the pad, and we do this by pulling in a fast motion to reveal the sticky adhesive pad that's laced with the pheromone that's going to attract the moths. The pad slips into the holder, and that's now ready for deployment. We've got various ways we can fix this. There's a hole here to enable it to be on a nail, or a holder to fit on a door handle. These traps are best placed within the area that the moths are going to be active in kitchen cupboards, underneath kitchen work surfaces, or door handles within the kitchen or other food storage areas. The Entopest Indian meal moth trap.